Hello traders, Pecanzington from the Young Money Board on iHub here. Today I want to talk about the chart for IRCE, Interline Resources Corp. So the first indicator I want to point out here is the RSI. You'll notice that it's uptrending while the price per share is downtrending. It's also in a buy zone at the moment, above 50. This is a very strong trend reversal sign, and it's definitely a confirmation of a run that we're about to have, in my opinion. Another strong reversal indicator that we have going for us is a close above the 50-day moving average right here today. This is very strong. If we can maintain over this 50-day moving average for the next day or two, we're going to have a full-blown breakout on our hands soon, in my opinion. The next indicator I want to point out here on this chart is the MACD trending upwards. Notice that it's just a slight trend upwards, but we're starting to finally see some positive divergence here. Probably tomorrow and the next day it'll become a little more acute. The next thing I want to point out is the TRIX indicator. The TRIX indicator is starting to diverge positively also, and it's curling up and looking for a reversal. Right here you can see it's just starting to get some positive divergence. Also, on these two indicators, I want to point out that how they were looking right when they ran the first two times, right when the stock ran the first two times. Notice the first run here, how these indicators acted, positive divergence, and an uptrend, and same story over here. And this is a pretty large run. So these are indicators we want to watch for this upcoming run. The next indicator I want to talk about is the CMF. Notice that it's uptrending, first of all, and also that it's green. That means that money's coming into the stock faster than it's leaving it, pretty much. The stock is being accumulated. Now, the next indicator I want to talk about is the WM%R. It's starting to show a more consistent overbought state, which is a strong bullish trend reversal sign. If you'll notice also back to when the stock ran for the first two times, we started to see more consistent overbought state, right here and right here. This can be a very strong indicator that we're about to see a pretty decent sized run, assuming that we can keep this indicator above the overbought line at -20 here. And then the final indicators that I want to talk about here are the ADX line and the PSAR. They work together because the ADX line is more about the strength of a trend reversal or a trend, whereas the PSAR is the direction of the trend. The PSAR is currently underneath the price per share. It's these little green dots right here. And that's a signal that you should be buying. Generally, you should be long on the stock when it's below the price per share. When it's above, that's either a signal that you should be selling or short. So if this is a definite time to buy, because as you can see here, the ADX is just starting to curl up a little bit. That's signaling that it's definitely a trend reversal coming in. Because you can go back here on the chart and see that it all starts with just a slight turn up, and then as people become more confident in the run, it shoots up more drastically. Same story over here. So my official rating for this stock would be a strong buy tomorrow, July 31st, 2012. But again, that's just my opinion. I'm not a professional investment advisor or financial advisor, and I cannot be held liable for your investment decisions. Best of luck, and I will see you around.